we are recording, yeah. Forgot to press that button. Let's give it a try. We've got a few more things which should hopefully keep the focus this time. Give it a try and play. Ready, shut up. Everyone listen up. If you can't write in the proper way, if you don't know how to conjugate, maybe you flunked that class, and maybe now you find that people mock you online. Okay, now here's the deal. I'll try to educate you. Gonna familiarize you with the nomenclature. You'll learn the definitions of nouns and prepositions. Literacy's your mission, and that's why I think it's a good time to learn some grammar. Now did I stammer? They'll call that grammar. Nowhere is less words fewer, like people who were never raised in the sewer. Word crimes, like I could care less. I didn't do care, at least a little. Ain't me a moron. You better slow down and use the right pronoun. Show the world you're no clown. Say you got an IT followed by apostrophe S. Now what does that mean? You would not use it in this case as a possessive. It's a contraction. What's a contraction? When shooting a word, group words by mission of silent left. Okay, son, here's some notes. Syntax, you always make them. The next in espresso, your participles anger. And I don't want your drama. And if you really wanna leave out that Oxford comma, just keep in mind that BCRU are words, not letters. Get it together. Use your spell checker. Don't be never. Write words using numbers, unless you're 7, or your name is Prince Diabetes. Word crimes, you really need a full-time proofreader, reader, fire, some kind of linguist, to help you distinguish what is proper English. One thing I ask of you, time to learn your homophones is past you. Learn to diagram a sentence to always say to whom, don't ever say to who. Ring up when I tell you this. I've been able to explanation with the emphasis. And right, I hope you can tell if you're doing good or doing well. Figure out the difference. Irony is not coincidence. And it through your skull. And really then what's literal? Just now, you said you literally couldn't get out of bed. That made me release like a crowbar upside your stupid head. I read your email. It's quite apparent. Your grammar's errant. You're incoherent on your blog post. It's really fantastic. That was sarcastic. Cause you write like a spastic. Hate these word crimes. Your prose is dopey. Think you should only write an emoji if you're a lost cause. Go back to preschool. Get out of the gene pool. Try your best to natural. Never mind to give up. Really now I give up. Hey, 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 hey. Go away.